cooling systems.
Oh, that's right. It needs cooling systems.
Drones. So we're going to pipe in alclad we need, and then we're going to ship out the cooling systems here. But I gotta go.
Wait, why are we shipping out? We're not going to ship out cooling systems.
No.
Oh, never mind. Yes, we are. Yeah, the heat sink is what we're making here.
Yeah. The alclad sheets are going to go to the heat sink. To create heat sinks somewhere.
Sinks are made in the assembler.
So we'll just need an assembler here. That's going to use these things over here, which are copper sheets. Yet, but got production for us. Alright, I got to go grab my dinner. Actually, I need to use the bathroom too. So I will be back in a couple minutes. Very well. Oh, we've got an ad break starting. Here, I'm guessing. It's the one. Yeah. So just pull that over there. That just needs power now, I think. Yeah. Nice. Heat sinks are coming in. Water and heat sinks. This is making 7.5 per minute. Not quite enough, but hopefully we're pulling in enough stuff to make a second one of these. Let's see, what does it say? I'm guessing we're getting 491 per minute, so yeah, that's enough to do a second assembler here. Forward a little bit so we can get splitters easier. Two of these. Backwards. Nope, that, please. Okay. We're on ad break, so I'm going to use the bathroom and grab my dinner. I'll be back in a minute or two.
Alright.
Back. Wow, what a coincidence. Ad break's over too.
Perfect timing.
Exactly. Alright. Let's take a look at this. This section here.
It's facing the wrong way.
Actually, that's
Oh.
I was feeding it the wrong. That's the import. That's the output. So I was trying to connect the import to the out. Power again. Oh, 2, 3. Wow. Fancy. Okay, this is rain. We're making here heat sinks. Heat sinks. Okay, so for that, water coming in. Should be full production for it. Now, just need output.
Now, do we want a second one of these? Double our production?
We're going to have to double our heatsink production as well.
Yeah, but we've got enough materials coming in for that, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah, it can't unload. Just pull up.
Well, we did just start the production of them, but yeah. Yep.
Wait, why is alclad launch going to cooling system launch?
It shouldn't. You should just go back and forth. It's just going back and forth, but it can't unload right now, so it pulls more out, it's like.
Well, no, if you look at the relevant ports, or if you look at this port, the relevant ports, alclad launch, his destination is set as cooling system launch.
I don't know, I had to pick one, so I'll check. That isn't how it worked, so I don't know. I'll go look.
Man, that drone's loud.
More of these too. Just make more power. enough. Might just need a boost in the middle or something. It's a long tube. It's too bad you can't take a ride in the drone. That'd be cool.
Yeah. Let's see if this is enough water. It's flowing. Is he doing okay on water? So I think this is a good spot. Okay. That. But right here, check the drone. Because I didn't know if the other one was labeled, so I just had to pick one of them. But it is. Up first. Okay. Try that. So that should fix that, hopefully. Right, ready? It's gonna be another ride. Ready? Go. Whee! Nope, 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 nope. Not back. Yeah, that happened to me too.
Might be a little bit. We're gonna go underwater. I see.
You see?
So I can change it from here. Maybe?
Yeah, you can change any relevant ports.
But then wouldn't it... So then the alclad launch port isn't sent to go to cooling system launch. Wouldn't that be like a chain? Not like a loop where it goes back and forth between the two? Or no?
The drone, no, I thought that's how that would work too. But no, the drone will go from its home base to its destination and back. That's all it does. When it reaches its destination, it doesn't see what that destination destination is. It just goes back to its home base.
So each drone port can have its own drone, though.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if we wanted to speed up the alclad, we could have a drone at each port, going back and forth between them, and then it would make twice as many trips.
Getting a bunch of plastic made here, it looks like. So we could potentially send more of that back as well as the cooling systems, or the
We have a new recipe. Never mind, it's cookware.
We need that to be 2. So, let's think about this. Going back. We have the port.
Oh, crash.
Crashed.
Mm-hmm. It's okay.
Vehicle or your computer?
The game.
Yeah. There, yes. Do that. Okay, so I need those things. Thing? No, that's not good. Wait. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. And 5 wide. Should be able to do it all. Yeah, that's even worse. Okay. Sure. Okay. Splitter. That way. Okay. Just need splitters this way then. Okay. There. Yes. Kind of this. This is coming in like around here. I want it above this one. I can't have it above this one. It's frustrating. Alright. Good. work. What crap is that? The answer is somehow yes. Okay. Oh, you'll that one. Oops. Is that level? It is not. It's like between the two.
All right, for now, I have a programmable splitter coming off of the drone port, so we won't sync the cooling units when we send them over.
Okay.
So you can have the drone port go ahead and start sending if you want.
This. Okay, but not that direction. Can we not do that direction? Is that an option? Yeah. Where am I sending it to? Just need a drone.
Main base.
I don't see a port listed as there's my base. Ah, I found it. This is the top one. That's at the bottom. Alright, let's see. Can we get this thing to work? Up higher though. Higher though. Higher though.
Oh, jeez. One of those big guys, the big elephant thingies, was walking next to me and making a weird noise.
Hmm.
Like crunching, and I didn't know what it was. It scared me. Hey, the drone made it here already.
I just sent it over. Oh. No, I didn't. It should, though. Not enough fuel. Oh, I guess we need to send fuel to it, huh? Some fuel.
Wait, why is this drone red then, if this is not the one?
I don't know which drone that is.
It's the nitrogen drone, but it shouldn't be red.
What, that's fuel. Oh, yeah. That's right. Fuel there, duh. Alright, sending a few out. This is going to use 73 per trip. Take 4 minutes. minutes, 130, about 141, 140 per 8 minutes, or per 4 minutes. Yeah, around 4 minutes. This is putting out 40 per minute, so that's 160 for 4 minutes, which is enough. Should be enough. But
I'm stuck.
Oh, it should be going over there now. So we need
Will this freeze me? No, I'm still stuck.
Uh-oh. Unstuck. Notice. Slash commands are not supported. Please use the pause menu for actions like unstuck, respawn, or something else.
Oh. I guess I have to respawn then.
But you can't use the pause menu to unstuck? So use the pause menu.
I couldn't find anything in there to unstuck me.
Let's see. Options. Debug. User interface. Key bindings. Toggle ghostfly is G. Huh. Weird. Respawn is right mouse button. RMB?
Yeah, I was able to respawn, but I couldn't just get unstuck
Oh,
respawning.
that's kind of an unstuck, isn't it? A little more
Yeah.
drastic, but nope, nope. That. There you go. So let's do this again. Up there. Do that. Put it up here. Do this one first. That's what we're going to do. Right. It doesn't go into that. What? What nonsense is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, that's not the way I wanted. Expected it to be a little more reasonable, but no. that's lined up correctly either. I think I can get around that. So this is there.
Iconiu, what are you doing?
Slacking up.
He's muted, I think.
Sounds about right.
I see him running around here.
Wonder if I could do below. If I could do below.
My mouse seems to be jacked up. That's why I can't talk. I have to like Alt-Tab to talk. It's alright. I'm glad you're far away because you haven't seen all the brilliant stuff I've done at the factory. I was trying to figure out where Pete was. I was like, where are you lurking to place that thing? Oh, you have your hover pack. You're just floating around like a bee.
Yep. Making a new, more compact leaf and wood to solid biofuel setup. And then
Yeah,
I'm
so-
going to have it feed into a thing down below that's going to automatically produce liquid biofuel and then upload it. And I think I'm going to do a half split so that there's also solid biofuel that's getting uploaded.
Yep, there's a lot of fun new recipes, right?
That works. Wow.
I don't need 4 of these. Why am I doing 5? Guys, this is not gonna make. This is.
Oh, we can make electric motors without heat sinks or coolers. Because turbo motors, we have an alternate recipe for.
I'd restart Satisfactory again because after the crash, the Logitech software thought I was playing Void Train instead and had the wrong config. All good now.
Okay.
So after all that, I got cable production going, but we're still not making enough. Need like a stockpile. Because we use that a lot.
Sheets. Okay. May not be making enough copper sheets here either. Okay. And finish that one.
Need to expand the yellow section the other direction too. There's a whole new area you guys extended the base out. That's where Pete's building.
What about?
That's a whole new section of the yellow base that just got built recently, right? Or did we just never fill that? I'm pretty sure it's new.
I've lost track. I mean, I've built underneath, like one floor down from yellow, and built the quartz to silica product, the quartz production or processing. And
All
then,
right.
And then below that is the liquid biofuel refinery and packaging.
I must not remember. I definitely don't remember the Christmas trees. Oh, okay, they all despawned. Good. There were a bunch of trees in the yellow section. They all went away.
Oh, they did?
Yeah. Well, they're not drawing anymore anyway.
The ones in yellow, yeah, those are a glitch.
It's probably the natural stuff that used to exist here.
Side. There. Okay. So I can do this.
By the way, Daryun, those 8 refineries that are built there, that's just 2 of the oil fields in use. We've got 6 more that we're not using.
Let's go that way. So I can... I want later. Let's do some of this here.
You bet. I forgot there are 4 different ways to make biomass.
Are any of them automatic?
What's that?
Are any of them automatic? Where it does like an automatic farm?
I don't think that it's farmable. Because, like, one is leaves, the other is wood, then mycelia, and protein, or alien protein. So, like, it's all stuff that we have to either have to chop down, harvest, or kill. Are those? Oh, never mind. You could turn biomass directly into coal product.
Yeah, I saw that recipe. But again, anything that starts with biomass, you can't really automate.
No, you can automate the processing of it into solid biofuel and then into liquid biofuel. So that's
Yeah,
what
well,
I'm debating if I should even bother accounting for those forms.
I wouldn't. If you can't grow biomass automatically.
Yeah. And like the way that we're getting biomass in bulk is from leaves and wood.
need an inspection tool that tells me where this conveyor belt goes, what things attached, and what it's producing at the end of the line. So I don't have to transfer upstairs and downstairs following these things.
Yeah, that does sound like it would be nice.
Copper wire or bar ingots?
Copper, the sheets.
We're not uploading them? Should be uploading copper sheets.
No, I need them at this production area I'm working at. I'll need them. Man, this is dumb. Alright, where do I put it that way?
Coke steel ingots. Iron ore and petroleum coke for steel. Or rubber plus petroleum coke for a circuit board. Huh. Do we need more circuit boards?
Yeah, computer production could be faster.
Power from here to there. Alright, that should give these guys power.
Wow, whoever did iron production over here, iron ingots, wow, that's a lot.
Where is here?
Fire the oldest base.
I think that was Pete.
Yeah, a lot of it's Pete.
Yep. I don't think I tied it in yet because I didn't know where to send it all. Because there were so many iron mines right there that it kind of it looks like it's way more production than we could possibly use.
Just start making screws with it. We need screws for everything.
Guess where to build the screw production.
Yeah. Not to mention there's another recipe that's better with steel for screws. Yeah, if you want, you can dedicate a whole nother floor to it. The one floor I did on, I think it's white, is almost all screws. There's a huge screw processing area. Like half the floor. Alright, so we're getting 10, 20, 30 upper sheets here. 60. So we're producing. This is a 60 per minute. So that's standard production. We can upgrade the miner to Mark III now.
Thanks.
There's an option. Fused modular. I don't have a fused modular frames though. Take those. So let's see if that 30 is enough. No, it is nowhere close. 22. 80. 90. I need 90. I'm getting 30. Great.
Oops.
That's the... Sure, you want to do 2. Take a look over here. So I think this is a 4. No.